Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel, Lofgren Life. If you're already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much for tuning back in. If you're not subscribed to my channel, what are you guys waiting for? Like, please hit that subscribe button and also comment. I love talking to you guys. I have met so many people all over the world, and I really like talking and communicating and seeing what other people are out there doing and getting different ideas. So welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning back in. So today I'm going to be working on the two is coming down this hallway. I need to wipe all of the wainscoting down because it gets dusty. You probably can't really see it, but it does get dusty, you guys, and it gets dirty. So I'm going to work on doing that stuff. I don't know if you can see that. It's bad. Another thing I'm gonna work on today is gonna be this entryway here. Let me show you guys like what it looks like. So coming in the front door here, this is my husband's man cave. Coming in the front door, you see this brown piece, and I really want to, I like the piece, but I just kind of want to paint it. So I think I want to work on spray painting it today, and I want the top surface here to be like a gray color to kind of blend in with the floor. So we're gonna see what this looks like. I'm gonna take this outside, take all this stuff down, take it outside, and I'm gonna work on spray painting this. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me. That's all wainscoting that I need to work on. So you guys, get back in the light so you can see me. So that's what I'm working on today. I'm going to bring you guys along with me. I hope it turns out well. If it doesn't turn out well, then I have to, I guess, get rid of it and maybe find another one. All the reason why to buy another piece of furniture, I guess. So I'm going to go take this outside and start, I guess, sandpapering it down. And I guess I'm going to try to spray paint it. I want to show you guys these really pretty flowers. My brother bought me these here. I don't know what you call them, but they're, I don't know what you call those things, but they're really pretty. He bought me a white one, my mom this purple one here. I think it's so cute. Just wanted to show you guys that. So my brother bought me those. All right, so let's get to it. I'm gonna set up camera outside and we are going to work on painting that. I hope it comes out okay. But if any, I can't ask for ideas because by the time you guys see this video, it'll already be done. So I probably should have posted on Instagram, which I need to work on my over there. All right, you guys. So the first thing I'm gonna do is remove everything off of the wall table, and then I'm gonna wipe it all down to get all of the dust and dirt and fingerprints and things off of it. And that's what I'm doing here.
I get no. I just gotta know where you are if I want to remain sane. But you're ghosting every text and call. Oh no, you could be running off with somebody else. Ooh, boy, I ask myself, yeah.
So here you guys, I see I'm wiping it down, but here, all the little holes that's on the side here, I'm wiping it, but there's dust that's on in each individual little hole. So I went to go get the little Swiffer duster buster thing, and that way I can get all the little dust from each individual hole, which is very tedious, but at the end it's going to look really nice.
These days, are you being honest with me? I don't wanna go this cray.
Yes, you guys, the struggle is real. When you're filming, the kids come around, he doesn't have any clothes on, so I'm telling him like, get back. So that's why he just backed up really quick. I know your moms understand, all the ones that have children, when you're trying to record, and these kids, we don't want our videos to get hit by YouTube for showing these children in here with no clothes on. So who else understands that?
Oh no, no. There is something you're not telling me, but I can't wrap my head around it. You said you and I were meant to be last week. You could be running off with somebody else. Ooh, boy, I ask myself, yeah. Wait, maybe you're just off doing what you said. Ooh, think I've lost myself. Tell me what's the hold up, baby. Tell me why your phone's off lately. I don't wanna go all crazy.
So friends, here my son Chase comes over. He goes, "Mommy, I have clothes on." He goes, "Do you need help moving the table?" So I said, "Of course, of course." And then he goes, I said, "Okay, let me know when you need breaks." So every 2 or 3 steps that he takes, he goes, "Okay, Mommy, I need a break." And then we walk 2 or 3 more steps. And he goes, "Mommy, I need a break." So I thought it was really cute because that's what you guys see us doing here. Like we walk a few steps and then we have to stop.
Tell me what's the hold up, baby. Tell me why your phone's off lately. I don't wanna go all crazy, but I think I'm losing it. Tell me where your heart is these days. Are you being honest with me?
Okay friends, so we got it out to the backyard and I put it on this piece of plywood thinking that it will hold the legs so they don't go down in the grass, but of course it's not long enough, so I'll have to move it over some once we get going. So the first thing I'm going to do here, use the sandpaper to kind of scratch the surface so that way the paint sticks to it once I start spray painting it. So that's what I'm going to do here all over.
Want your kisses in the morning light. Wanna be next to you every night. No, I shouldn't love you, but I might. 'Cause your lips, they taste like cherry wine. You're no good for me. We're so bittersweet, but I still want you. I do. Baby, can't you see what you do to me? I just can't resist you. You got me drunk in love, I can't sleep. I need to sober up from this dream, but I can't deny you. I can't deny you. I can't deny you. Na 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 na. Tomorrow, could you be the one to kill my sorrows? Maybe one night you can play the hero, even if I know it's only for show. You're no good for me. We're so bittersweet, but I still want you. I do. Baby, can't you see what you do to me? I just can't resist.
So I'm just using the duster to get some of the dust off from kind of scratching up the surface there. And then I'm going to go over it with this awesome spray just to wipe off the flying dust that's on the piece itself.
You got me drunk in love, I can't sleep. I need to sober up from this dream, but I can't deny you. I can't deny you.
I get so caught up in the middle, thinking of
Okay, you guys, now on to painting. So I'm using the Rust-Oleum satin paint and primer in one, and it's just white, it's satin white. So that is what I'm going to start spray painting with. So here we go. I'm not sure if you guys can tell, but it is a very windy day out here. So the spray paint was just blowing back at me and blowing on my camera. So I had to stop painting and move it onto the patio, and that way it helps block the wind. So now back to painting, and as you can see, it's turning out very, very well. I'm really happy the way this one side looks so far.
if If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, yeah, I can carry all that you've got. Two heavy hearts is not a lot. I will put out all of the fire. We stumble and fall.
Okay, so while those coats of spray paint are drying out there on the patio on the piece, I figured it would be a great time for me to come in here and get this entryway all clean by dusting and mopping, sweeping, and also wiping down this wainscoting. Because you guys, believe it or not, this wainscoting, it gets very, very dirty, and of course it's white. So you probably can't tell on the camera, but I'll show you some close-ups so that way you can see how it looks.
I will put out all of the fire. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light.
So while you guys are watching this video, tell me in the comments below, what are you up to today? Are you cleaning with me? Are you making a to-do list to clean later? So comment below, tell me what you're doing today.
I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I am running for you. I am running for you. I am running for you. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. I'll be your light. Your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. I get so caught up in the middle, thinking of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing sight 'cause I am falling. I'm so deep down, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light.
Okay friends, so I finally finished painting it. I used 2 cans of the Rust-Oleum white spray paint, and it came out really good. I'm going to show you guys in a second how it looks. I had to go back over it a couple times to touch up some of the spots that still had some brown showing through, or either it just wasn't an evenly coated thing of paint. So what I did is went across the top of it with a light texture, a light coating of the white paint, and now I'm going to do the top of it with this weathered look gray stain. It says color in 1 coat, so hopefully it looks good, and it dries in 1 hour. And it's pretty windy out here, that's why I moved it on the inside, because it's pretty windy today. So hopefully it comes out looking nice. So we're gonna see how it looks. I'm kind of excited about it because I think it came out really good with just the spray paint. So we'll see how it looks. I'll show you guys what it looks like right now. So this is what I was just telling you guys. I lightly painted the top so that way it kind of takes some of the dark gray out. So not dark gray, I'm sorry, the dark brown, so that way the gray can cover it better, I think, anyway. So it looks kind of crazy, but it's gonna come out really good, you guys. And these are the 2 shelves, and this is from the side view. And that's pretty much it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and move to the top and open the stain so I can put that on there.
Thinking of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing sight 'cause I am falling. I'm so deep down, deep down. And it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes. And you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, yeah, I can carry all that you.
You guys, look at this. I think it looks better than what I thought it was gonna look. I think it came out really, really nice compared to the brown. And I'll try to throw in a picture right here so you can see the before and this is the after. I think it really brightens up this space. So now I'm gonna put things back on here, try to decorate it back so that way it just kind of finishes the look off. So we'll see what I'm gonna keep or what I'm gonna get rid of.
Keep drowning in those blue eyes. And you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be.
Sometimes it really feels like I lose control. Honestly, I can't even find my home. 'Cause when you see light, I tend to fade. With city lights and you're in space, and I don't think I'm ever gonna get it right.
Okay, you guys, so this is the finished look. I'm really happy with the way it came out. I hope you guys like it as well. I decorated with the pieces that I had just here at the house or left over from what was already on the table. Once the stores open up, I'll be able to go and possibly find some things because I think the top is a little bit bare to me, but we'll see what I find. I'm gonna put in a before picture here so you can see what it looked like beforehand, and then this is the after. Okay, you guys, so this is it. I want to say thank you so much for tuning into my channel. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that ring bell notification, and that way you don't miss another upload from me once you hit all. And if you already subscribed, thank you so much for tuning in, and thank you for the continued support. And just so we can stay connected, my Instagram is listed below. It's @Lofgren Life, and I would love to have you come over and follow, and we can follow each other there.